Are you in need of temporary housing due to an insurance claim? Seven Gables Pensione is the perfect solution for ALE housing in the heart of Yakima Valley wine country. This beautifully restored early 1900s French country farmhouse offers everything you need for a comfortable and peaceful stay. Enjoy fully furnished interiors, a farm-to-table kitchen, and lush gardens for relaxation. Located in Prosser, Washington, you'll be within walking distance of over a dozen wineries, restaurants, and a garden nursery. With 360 days of sunshine and a welcoming community, this property is ideal for individuals or families needing temporary housing. Book your stay today and experience the charm of Seven Gables Pensione.